Okay, welcome students for the last session of profit and loss, that is fourth session, part 4. Before we wind up this chapter with the numericals, let us do the recap of the formulas. The main formulas are profit. When is profit? Profit is when selling price is greater than cost price. I have never taught you how to mug up the formula. I have always taught you how to make the formula. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. Correct students? Next, when is loss? As you all know, we have already revised and come in the class. So here, when the cost price is greater than selling price, in that case the person will suffer loss. So loss is nothing but CP minus SP. Then next session we have seen profit percent and loss percentage. When profit percentage is calculated, we require profit and we require CP. And for loss percentage, we require loss and we require CP. As I have already told, loss percentage and profit percentage are relative to cost price. So here profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Similarly, for loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. So we have seen general formulas related to profit and loss. So with this formula, let us see the application. Let us see first example. Calculate the profit or loss. So we are not in situation right now to tell whether it is profit or loss. Okay, percentage for the following. So let us see the example which we will solve by using the formula. Okay, let us read. The cost price of an article. The cost price of an article is rupees 2000. Correct? Okay. And what else is given? Selling price is given. Selling price is rupees, okay, rupees 2800. Correct? Okay, after reading the sum, recollect is it profit or loss? So when selling price is greater than cost price, it will be profit. Correct students? Selling price is greater than cost price, so it is profit. Fine. So profit, what is the formula for profit? Profit is SP minus CP. So here in this case, selling price is 2800 minus cost price is how much? 2000. So here the person will gain how much? Rupees 800. So this is an example of profit. So here calculate the profit or loss percentage. So we have discovered that this is an example of what? Profit. So we will find profit percentage. So what is the formula for profit percentage? Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. So let us substitute the values. Profit as we have calculated above is rupees 800. And what is cost price? Cost price is 2000. So here 2000 rupees into 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. 2 ones are 2 40s. So here calculate the profit or loss. It is profit of how much? It is profit of 40%. Did you understand, students? So when you know cost price and you know selling price, you can calculate profit, and from profit you can calculate profit percentage. Let us see the next example. Again, we'll read the sum. Calculate the profit or loss percentage for the following. Right now, we are not in position to answer whether it is profit or loss. Let us read the sum. So, as we will read the sum, we'll come to know. So, what is cost price over here? Cost price is rupees 1000. Okay. So, cost price is rupees 1000. What is selling price? Selling price is rupees 800. Oh, what we have discovered over here? Here, cost price is greater than selling price. Recollect, students, whenever cost price is greater than selling price, the person will experience what? Or suffer what? Loss. Fine. So it is loss. Loss is what? Loss is CP minus SP. Correct, students? So CP minus SP and CP, when we subtract, we get rupees 200. So a person is suffering a loss of how much? Loss of rupees 200. So we came to know this is an example of loss. So we will find loss percentage. Fine. So recollect loss percentage formula. Loss percentage is loss upon CP into 100. Fine, students. So let us substitute the values. Loss is rupees 200. What is cost price? Cost price is rupees 1000 into 100. So let us see. 0 gets cancelled, and this. Oh, the calculation is easy. So we got 20%. But 20% what? 20% loss. So loss percentage is 20. Fine, students. Now let us see. These were simple sums. But I'll teach you now versatile formula. When you know selling price and profit percentage. Profit percentage and cost price is asked. You can use this formula. Or when cost price is given and profit percentage is given. Correct? And selling price is asked. Then also you can use this formula. So when selling price and profit percentage is given, you can find cost price. When cost price or profit percentage is given, you can find selling price. Similarly, here, okay, similarly when selling price and loss percentage is given, then you can find cost price, correct? And when cost price and profit and loss percentage is given, you can find and you can find selling price. So here the formula is very simple. SP upon CP is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100, and selling price upon CP is equal to 100 minus loss percentage upon 100. So when this and this is given, you can find this. When CP and profit percentage is given, you can find SP. Similarly, if selling price and loss percentage is given, you can find cost price. And when cost price and loss percentage is given, you can find selling price. So this is a versatile formula, student. This is versatile formula where you don't have to use those profit percentage ka formula. You can directly use this formula and get the answer. Now let us see example based on this. Let us see example based on this. So we can see some on the screen. The cost price of a bicycle. Fine. Okay. So the cost price of a bicycle is rupees 1920. Fine. And it was sold for loss percentage. Loss percentage is how much? Loss percentage is 20. Find the selling price. So selling price is us. Fine. What did I tell you? When you know cost price and loss, you can find selling price. What is the formula? Formula is selling price upon cost price is equal to, since it is loss, so it will be 100 minus loss percentage upon 100. Correct? Upon 100. Let us substitute the values. What is the value for cost price? Cost. What is the value for selling price? Selling price is to be found. So we don't know. What is cost price? Cost price is 1920 is equal to 100 minus 20 upon 100. Correct, students? Now we'll solve this further here. And that implies what? That implies selling price upon 1920 is equal to 80 upon 100. Correct, students? 80 upon 100. Let us reduce the number 0, 4s and 5s. Since selling price is to be found, we will keep selling price as it is. 4 upon 5 as it is, and we will transfer this here on this side. Fine. So what will be the answer? It will be into 1920. When you cancel this with 5, 5 ones are 5 threes are 15, correct? 5 eights are 40, carry, and then 4s. So it is 4 into 384. So the final answer is rupees 1536. So here we came to know the selling price of a bicycle. So here selling price of the bicycle is rupees 1536. If you note, it is loss, so selling price is less than the cost price. Did you note, student? See, cost price is more and selling price is less. I hope you understood this example. Let us take one last example. Okay, let us read. As you all know the formulas, so let us start. Okay, by selling a table for rupees 990. Okay. So selling price is rupees 990. Fine. Let us read further. The trader gains. You say gain percent or profit percent. It is one and the same. So profit percent is equal to 10. And we have to find what? We have to find cost price. Fine. Again, we'll use a versatile formula. So it is selling price upon cost price. Correct? Selling price upon cost price is equal to 100. Since it is profit, so 100 plus profit upon 100. Did you understand? Upon 100. Let us substitute the values. Selling price is 990. Cost price is to be found, correct students, is equal to 100 plus 10 upon 100. Fine. That implies what? That implies 990 upon cost price is equal to 110 upon 100. Correct? 0, 0 cut. Now since cost price is in the denominator, we'll bring it in the numerator. So cost price is equal to 990 into 10 upon 11. 11 ones are 11 90s. So here it is rupees 900. So the cost price, since it is profit, see here cost price is rupees 900. Fine, 900. The cost price is less than the selling price, and it is the case of what? Profit. I hope you understood the entire chapter, students. Fine. If you enjoyed the entire profit and loss in my session, hit like, share, and share with your friends and subscribe. Fine, student. Next topic which I will cover after one day will be simple interest. Do attend. Bye.